Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting on the 1 hour chart for the intraday for Nasdaq and SPX. We're gonna see what happened and what it might happen next. So today in the live stream we saw some news, we saw some volatility, and we saw the high taken. And after taking this high, we assumed that potentially we finished there. But of course, when we went in the lower time frame, we saw that there is still a possibility for higher, even again, much more, and getting back to the track, right? And getting, of course, towards our blue box here, which is 0.618 and the 1-to-1 fib level, 21 or 22K, I would say, around it. So basically, we are looking at 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here that it might finish, of course. And I think that here we got like kind of like a big wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 inside it. So I would say that this is not a leading diagonal actually. This might be, of course, a big wave 1, 2 here. Wave A, B, and a C wave 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 towards the upside. And basically the targets are very clear, are still looking for higher. We're still looking for around this area and potentially still for 5, even for a little bit much more higher. Very nice. So basically I would say that the things are still looking great for the SPX. Here SPX, we are looking for the following wave 5 also. We see some higher prices again, and as expected that this wave, of course, has to continue 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. You can see that you have a very deep wave 2 here, the wave 4. Okay, it has unfolded. This is what I was saying in the live stream. Be careful having wave 4, and then continuation for a wave 5 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which it might finish, of course, around the 6,000 for the SPX. So on the lower time frame, you can see clearly this is a 1, 2, and then wave 3 given. You got your A, B, and a C, and then of course continuation right now for higher. Basically, you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 internally. There is a 1, 2 already, and potentially we might get, of course, the 6,000 very soon, maybe today. Very possible, yeah, very possible today that we get it, guys. All right, so that was it for the Nasdaq and the SPX for the intraday. Nothing really unexpected. I cannot complain again. Everything looks perfect. We took the high. We finished a wave 5 or wave 3, whether it was one more high or without it. It is there. We secured, I would say, this scenario for a wave 4 later on and even higher again one more time toward the upside. This invalidation is not valid even anymore, right? We finished the impulse. That was it for the Nasdaq and the SPX intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.